A blessed day to you, everyone. I am Rochelle Advina.
And I am Prisha Icarnal.
And we are here in the front of you to present on how to erase pimples on your photo using Photoshop. We are now going to show you the demonstration on how to erase pimples on your photo using Photoshop. First, open your Photoshop. Then, click the Word file on the upper left corner of your Photoshop and choose the word Open. The pictures will appear and you can now choose what photo you want to edit. Place the cursor on the right side corner of your Photoshop and click the right button of your mouse and then choose the word Duplicate. And now, we have two photos on the right side corner of your Photoshop for us to see the difference between the edited and non-edited photo. Place the cursor on the left side corner of your Photoshop and choose the word Spot Healing Brush Tool. A small circle will appear and place it into the pimple. You can also adjust the size of the pimple. Just click the right button on your mouse and you can now adjust the size of the circle. Just continue doing it until the pimple was already gone. And now, the pimple was already gone, but still, there are redness on the face. Place the cursor on the part of the face that is natural or not affected by the pimple. And then, click the Alt button together with the left button on your mouse to copy its natural color. If you see a positive sign, the color of the skin was already copied, and place it to the part of the skin that has color red, and then click the right button on your mouse. Just continue doing it until the redness was already gone. If you're already done, save your work. Photo or erasing the pimple in Photoshop using patchwork. First, choose a photo you want to edit or erase the pimple. And again, place your cursor on the right side corner of your Photoshop and click the right button on your mouse and choose the word Duplicate. We already have two photos on your Photoshop so that for us to see the difference between the edited and non-edited photo. Place the cursor on the left side corner of your Photoshop and choose the word Patch Tool. Place the cursor on the part of the skin that has pimple and draw a circle. Drag the circle going to the part of the skin that is natural or not affected by the pimple. And the pimple was already gone. Just continue doing it until the pimple was already gone. And now, if you're already done, you can now save your work. And that's the end of our presentation. I hope you learned something from us. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye!